Hi and welcome to this video. Let's see how you can update your applications on Windows using Winget. I'm going to open the terminal as admin. If you want to find the help command or the different commands that are available with Winget, you can do --help. So for example, Winget --help. So this is going to show you different possibilities there. For example, let's do Winget upgrade --help. Winget upgrade --help, and you can see the possibilities, the different commands that you can use with Winget --help. So one that I'm going to use is --h for silent. So this can upgrade things silently without asking you for confirmation. Another one that you should bear in mind is -r --recurse or --all. So this means that you can do Winget update -r and it's going to update all your applications, or you can do Winget update upgrade -all, and that's going to upgrade all your packages. But sometimes you don't want to upgrade everything. So let's see how we can check which upgrades are available. Also note that you can use Winget update instead of Winget upgrade. Control L to clear the screen, and then I'll do Winget upgrade, and this is going to search and tell me which applications can be updated. So if you want to update all, you can do Winget update -r or Winget update -all, and that's going to update all packages. But if you only want to update specific packages, you can do Winget upgrade. And let's say, for example, I want to update Git. I will copy the ID from there and make sure there's only a single space there. Let's say also I want to update Mozilla. Copy that, paste it there, just click kubectl. So to copy it, you can just left click and then space, right click to paste. If these are the only applications that I want to upgrade, and I want to upgrade them silently without having Windows to ask me, do you want to upgrade this? And I won't even see the upgrade screen. If that's what I want, I will add the silent flag, which is -h. So if I was to press enter, it's going to check if these applications are valid and if they have any manifests in the Windows repository. If they don't have a manifest, the upgrade will fail. So it's going to download the first one. So let me just pause for a moment as it goes on downloading the file. Alright, so you can see once the download is complete, it's going to install it, and it's not going to ask you to confirm the installation or anything, and that's because I added the -h flag. Wait for the first one to install, and then it will go to the next one. Right, after waiting a while, you can see successfully installed, and the next one has begun downloading. So it's just going to go on like that until all the applications that you added will have been updated. So that's pretty much it if you want to update your applications using Winget. So that's pretty much it. Until next time.